and you had to figure out, first of all you had to figure out what the x value was, and then by figuring out the x value then you could figure out what t1 is. We don't know what t1 is. You don't have to write this down, just watch t2 and t3. So we said the formula was t3 minus t2 is equal to t2 minus t1. Alright, so you take t3 first of all, 5x minus 4. Sit up there. And minus, and t2 is up here, put in brackets. 2x plus 1. T2 is 2x plus 1. And a minus here. And t1 is x, put in brackets. The reason why you put it in brackets is because the minus is going to change all the signs here. So you've got 5x minus 4. Change all the signs in here, minus 2x minus 1 and minus x. Now you bring all the x's need to be on the left hand side, so 5x minus 2x minus 2x, and that becomes plus x. This plus 1 stays on the right, and move the minus 4 across to become plus 4, and the minus 1 across become plus 1. Right, so here we have 5 minus 4x, 1x plus x, 2x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2. 2 into 2 goes 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And from that, Philip, look it up, Philip. You know that x is equal to 3, so you replace x with 3. So up here you've got, replace that with 3. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 5 times 3 is 15, minus 4, 11. And then from there you can figure out what the next term is. What's t4? What is the d? 4 plus 4 plus 4. And you keep going. 15 and 4, 19. Alright. From this example, you can also write out the Tn formula. What's the first number in the sequence?
3.
3. And what's D?
4.
4. So the first number is T1 is equal to 3, A is equal to 3, and D is equal to 4. Find the Tn formula. So find the formula for this sequence. So first of all, write down the general formula. What's the general formula? A plus n minus 1d. That's the general formula. Alright, and you put in
D from?
what?
Where'd you get the D from?
D.
Yeah.
Oh, there's 4. The difference between 3 and 4 is 7. Common difference.
Oh, yeah.
It's 4. Alright, so Tn A is 3 plus n minus 1 and D is 4. Right, so just multiply out the bracket. 4 times n is 4n. 4 times minus 1, minus 4. Generally in these formulas you always write the n part first. So 4n, what's 3 minus 1? 4? Minus 1. So this is the formula. This is the formula for this sequence up here. We can check that that's correct, that it is the formula. How do you check that it is the formula? Just put in 1. Just move it up. How do you check that this is the correct formula for this sequence? Yeah, you put 1 in. See T1. T1. 4 times 1 minus 1, which is 3, isn't it? And then we'll put in 2. 4 times 2 minus 1, and it is 7. And then T3. 4 times 3 minus 1 is equal to 11. Now how do you find the 20th term in the sequence? T20. 4 times 20 minus 1 is equal to 80 minus 1? 79. So you can get any term in the sequence from there on.